Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to hide the active game status display panel from your public profile on Discord using the latest updated system layout. First, open the Discord application on your desktop workspace layout. Click on the User Settings gear icon located at the bottom left corner near your avatar layout. Scroll down the left sidebar menu index, look under the Activity section, and click directly on Activity Privacy. Make sure you are in the Activity Sharing subsection. Locate the primary configuration toggle switch explicitly labeled Share My Activity. Click on the toggle switch right next to Share My Activity to turn it completely off. The application framework will instantly stop broadcasting your active software, hidden game launchers, or connected apps to your friends list and public server profiles in real time. If you want extra privacy on startup, toggle off the Share When I Come Online configuration option. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.